How to revert back to old Outlook on Windows. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a few methods to switch back to old Outlook. So if I go ahead and open Outlook app on my device, as you can see here, I'm logged into my account, but if you want to switch back to the old Outlook interface, then there is no option to do it from here. So what you can do is if you try to customize it, you can just customize different kind of buttons that you see on the home screen, but not revert back to old Outlook. So instead, what you're trying to do is just go ahead and search for Outlook on your search bar or the start menu, and you will see two options. This Outlook is the new one, and if you open the Outlook Classic, you should be able to see the classic version of Outlook. So I'm just going to wait for a bit. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and start the Outlook again. It could not open because my other Outlook was open, so let me just go ahead and open the Outlook Classic. All right, so here you will find the old version of Outlook if your Outlook is running, but I'm currently having issues with it. The next step you can do is open up your registry editor. And then once your registry editor is open, go to HKey current users, and then go to software. Find Microsoft here and then expand the folder. So let me just go ahead and expand Microsoft and find it. Then find Office. So scroll down a bit and then go to Office. Find 16.0, then find Outlook here. Click on the drop down. Then once you go to Outlook, go to Preferences, and then you'll see the new Outlook re-nudge watermark and new Outlook star tiles. So you're going to go ahead and double click on these two options and then set the value data to 0. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.